Virgo, love team Virgo. Couple cards for my Virgo friends. Couple cards for my Virgo friends. Let's do it. Hello, Virgo. Ramblin Mike here. Going to be playing a little bit of Terre with you. Thanks for coming by one more time. Appreciate you. That I do. I'm playing with the Dreaming Way. It's new to me. I'm liking it. I'm having fun with it tonight. It's airy. It's fairy. It's lighthearted. And I'm just throwing a couple cards out here to see what they say. We're looking for love. We're looking for spirituality. We're looking for the good stuff. There's been some good stuff coming out in this spread. So let's do it. Let's do it. Virgo, babies. Virgo. Virgo. Let's cut the deck. Here we go. Looking for the good stuff. Cut it. Eight wands. I mean, that's a nice, fast moving energy. Eight wands. Let me see what's underneath that. Oh, damn. Could talk about money, honey. You know, eight wands can definitely talk about career opportunities. And a golden coin right here. Virgo, we're looking for the good stuff. That's the good stuff, to say the least. Rapid communication. About an ace of coins. Let's go, Virgo. Looking for love. Could be a solid offer that comes in here for you. These are in the job world, the love world. Something's happening. It's feel good energy. I know that. Spending money, living large. Hold on. Eight swords. Hold on. Where'd eight swords come from? That's that old energy of feeling stuck like Chuck in a broke down truck. Eight wands will get rid of that. You know, let's. Getting free. Give me some. That's air energy. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini on that. Virgo, what's going? Temperance. Damn. Oh, Michael's showing up around here. Is that buyer's remorse? Maybe, huh? Yeah, Temperance showed up. A major arcana. Sagittarius blending some cups. What is this? There's an emperor right here. There's an emperor right here. Maybe looking at Michael mixing some cups. Hey, you may get a new offer right here. You may. You may from, the emperor. Justice. This jumped out before I started reading. You got something balancing out here for you. Something that's taking a minute. You had a lot of patience with an individual or something. Yeah, these are nice. Yeah, it's a page. These are nice. Justice coming out with temperance. With the old emperor in the middle of it. Somebody's getting free. Huh. Nine wands. Oh, your reads, man. Nine wands. It's a little bit of the wounded warrior over there. Is this a different energy? Are there a couple people right here? Oh, Virgo. Let's put these people over here, man. I think there's a new energy coming in here for you, but kind of, feeling stuck in a situation. Is that what I'm looking at here? Eight of Swords to 9 Wands and Justice. Damn it. And then we got an Emperor looking at Temperance, and we got 8 Wands, and that's a new coin. Let's go. All right. I feel that this is a energy that you feel stuck in, obviously. Oh, it's 6 Pentacles came out on that, which, you know, should I stay or should I go? I don't know. Appears to me like something's run its course over here. And there is a new opportunity for you. Be it a job, be it a lover, whatever it is. Something has run its course. One more on that right there, please. And the Hermit, your card. Oh, my Virgo. Quiet time. You're definitely contemplating. Right. Should I stay or should I go? So this is either a lover or it's a job offer or something. This looks really good to me, to be honest with you, so far. So, and over here we got, you know, 8 Swords, 9 Wands, Justice, which would mean that things are out of balance with 8 Swords and 9 Wands, because the 6 of Pins came out, and that can be, you know, not equal. This shit ain't equal over here, but whatever this is, here's my Virgo, the Hermit, taking one last look at something. What did I say last? Because this looks really positive. So if this is a new job opportunity or a new offer coming in here for you, I want to throw a couple cards on this right here for Virgo. It's a Knight of Pentacles that came out on this. If this is a job opportunity, it's very much so says that it's going to get better and better and better. If this is a lover, it's very much says that this could get better and better and better over here. Give me more on this, please. Oh, Queen of Cups. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. The Queen of Love has showed up on this spread. Wow. I swear, man, this is Virgo, just not sure what you're going to do. See? 4 Pentacles right there, man. Again, that's a stuck energy. But look. I think whatever it is, yeah, there's 10 Wands. I think whatever it is, be it a person, a job, or whatever it is, strength to move forward. See this Knight, though. This is a Knight in this deck. The Knight is staring at all that, but the Knight is a great adventurer. 10 Wands, though. I think this is run its course. Whatever I'm looking at right here. Whoever I'm looking at right here. It appears that this has run its course, and there's a new offer coming in over here. For my Virgo. Let's throw a love card on this, please. Virgo. Virgo. Wow, this could be the one. You may have already met the romantic partner that you seek. That's what I've been reading. Dream boldly. Thank you. Flirt. Extend your lighthearted energy to somebody new. Virgo. One more. Virgo. Ooh, go ahead and make a romantic gesture came out. Ooh la la. Damn. Changing of the guards? Let's go, man. Virgo. Virgo. That's what the tarot talk about right here. Look like something's run its course. And well, there's your magician right here. Huh? My manifester. Manifesting all new beginnings. Wow, that's the emperor right there. There's the emperor right there, too. What? What? Oh, damn. That's, oh my God. And there's the empress. Wow. And there's the world card. I'm just, that ends a cycle. Should have let that emperor come out. Oh, they're right there. The emperor and the empress showed up over here with majors, the magician, and the world card, which ends a cycle and begins something new. Love and light, Virgo. Wow. Virgo, you've been warm with that for a minute, man.